Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on GameSir G7 Wired Controller. Introduction. Specifications. Package contents. Device layout. Connect. Volume control. Button settings, back button settings. Instruction. Features: Hall effect triggers and quad motor structure. Advanced gaming buttons. High-performance sticks. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate Card. Fully customizable GameSir Nexus. Care and maintenance. Troubleshooting. FAQs. What should I do if my controller isn't working properly? Does the GameSir G7 have programmable rear buttons? How do I clean the controller without damaging it? Can I use the GameSir G7 controller on a PC? Does the GameSir G7 controller have programmable buttons? How do I update the firmware of the GameSir G7?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.